Hey, what's up? Sam here. In this video, let's unbox and enhance the Redmi Watch 2, which was just released alongside the Redmi Note 11 series phones. If you are interested to watch my first impression of the Redmi Note 11, just click the link on the screen. Also in the launch event, Xiaomi released the Redmi Buds 3. The video will be on a few hours later, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I will always do such fresh tech products reviews in the first time. Under the back of the watch box, we see some highlights: 1.6-inch screen AMOLED HD color screen, SPO2, 100 plus fitness modes, super long battery life, 12 days to be specific, built-in GPS and NFC, and 5 ATM waterproofing. They also have other watch information like Bluetooth 5.0, what's in the box, etc. Open the box, we see the watch. It looks almost the same as the original Redmi Watch. We also find a very detailed Chinese menu here. Currently, I'm not sure when this watch will release its global version, so please don't ask me such questions. My fingers got a cramp from just replying to such questions on my Redmi Note 11 video. We also have the charging cable. It's magnetic, which I really love. I think every smartwatch or band should have this feature, right? That soothing click makes me want to use my watch more. That's what we work out from the Redmi Watch 2 box. Moving to the watch, we'll power on the screen later. On the back, we have the mic, obviously for Xiaomi voice assistant. We see the charging contacts and the heart rate monitoring sensor. The strap supports quick release. You can press the buckle to take them off easily. Hold down the physical key on the right side to turn the watch on. It asks you to download the Xiaomi Wear App to use the watch. After installing the app, you can click the profile to add your device. And then allow this and agree that, click yes on the phone and watch, and bam, connected. The whole process took me about 1 minute, fast and smooth. Since we were already connected, let me walk you very quickly through the app. The status shows you your status, like your steps, your calories, your workout history, etc. Workouts will show you the workouts. Since this watch comes with a built-in GPS, you can run some cool trajectory without bringing your phone. Health includes some tutorials and plans provided by the official Xiaomi. In the profile, you will find all the settings. You can choose which app to show its notification on your watch, to decide how the incoming calls to notify you, and many more. I'm not going to show you every detail, but I do want to show you the Xiaomi voice assistant. You can activate it by holding down the power key. Since this is the Chinese version, it only recognizes Chinese. And if I talk English to it, it will think I'm still talking Chinese. Though some of you guys may think the same way. Anyways, guys, I'm improving my English. Also, you can control your phone camera through the watch. Just pair with your watch again. I don't understand why need this step since they're already connected. Anyway, not a big hassle. After that, then click the camera app on the watch. Turn on your phone camera and you are ready to go. This is really good when it's not convenient to take photos through your phone, right? Big thumbs up for that. By the way, I just asked the customer service about the max distance. They replied about 5 to 8 meters. Good. Since we're talking about the watch, let's see what's new there. Starting with the gesture controls, swipe right to see the sports data, fitness modes. You can choose whatever mode you want. Weather, Xiaomi voice assistant, SPO2. Let me make your mind right on the spot. It takes me about 1 minute and I have to keep my hand still. No, I can't feel my hand, but glad the data is normal. And last is the heart rate monitor. Swipe down is the notifications, swipe up are the shortcuts. We see Xiaomi voice assistant here, raise to wake screen, D&D, alarm, torch, 5 minutes screen on, and the settings. In the settings, you can change watch faces. Actually, there's another way to change them. Namely, you hold down the watch face in the home page and you swipe right or left to choose. You can also adjust the screen brightness. It has 5 grades of brightness. Here I choose the brightest one. Basically, everything you want to change is there. Press the power button on the home page. You get to see all kinds of apps. Well, I tried every app and found there were some differences compared to the first generation, like the photo controlling app, pressure monitoring, menstrual cycle tracking, etc. Well, if you're wondering what's the overall comparison of the two, I did a detailed comparison chart. You can check them out. To be honest, I'm really impressed by the Redmi Watch 2. It's definitely a legit upgrade for $15 more. You get a much better AMOLED display and especially the built-in GPS and a whopping 100 plus fitness modes. It's lighter and has less battery capacity, but with 5 days more battery life. And the Redmi Watch 2 supports an always-on display. Many people want that. You don't have to spend a few $100 more to buy those more expensive ones. The Redmi Watch 2 is already good enough. So, what do you think of it? Will you buy it? Please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. And Sammy will see you in the next one.